What's up, my dudes? How's it going? Welcome back to episode 2 of my vlogs. And today I got something pretty special planned for you. My buddy and I, Graham, we're gonna go up to the mountains. I'm currently living in Colorado. So we have mountains right next to us, which is pretty dope. I love the mountains. But we're gonna go up there and shoot some stuff. And I wanna show you guys something that I feel like a lot of photographers kind of misunderstand when taking photos. And that is, you don't need to be in these crazy locations to get the best photos, right? You can really get the best photos anywhere. It's just about how you approach it. And I want to show that to you guys today with this vlog specifically by just going up in the mountains, driving down the road and seeing what we get, you know, just kind of having fun and seeing what kind of photos we get. But my buddy should be here anytime now, so you will meet him in 3, 2, 1. All right. So I linked up with Graham in here.
Yes, sir.
He's got his camera there.
Yep.
Gonna get some bangers up in the mountains and kind of show you guys what it's all about with photography, and that you really don't need to live in the nicest places to get good photos. So yeah, basically we're about 15 minutes away from where we live, and we are lucky enough to live in Colorado. But the point of this video is to really showcase that you don't need to live in a major city such as LA or New York or any like crazy place to get good photos. Right now we're headed to the top of this mountain, this gnarly ass mountain, as you can see here, and hopefully we'll get some good views from it that we can show you guys. But this place is beautiful so far, let me tell you. Like, sunset. Golden hour just makes everything look better, but let's continue onward. Dude, a shape, man. All right, guys, so we made it to the top here. Long hike, or I'm just too out of shape. Probably I'm too out of shape, but what a view, man. If you can see behind me, we have the mountains, the foothills, the water, great view. And then over here, we've got our city here. So it's kind of nice because on the left side here, we have a whole view of the city, right? But then over here is all the mountains and stuff. So it's kind of like mixing two environments together somewhat. But yeah, so we're gonna take some photos. You're gonna see them up on the screen here in a few. You're gonna see kind of all the photos we got, and I'm gonna talk about them here in a little bit. So let me know what you guys think of these photos, and I hope it kind of proves my point that you don't need to live in the crazy, most exotic places to get some of the best photos. It's just about using your creativity and your resources to make the best of what you got. And you would really be surprised that you can really get bangers anywhere, honestly anywhere. It's all up to your creativity. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of these photos. Alright, so we're heading back to a new location. We basically got the photos we're happy with here, and I hope you guys enjoyed those too. I put them up on the screen. But we're gonna head to a new spot for sunset, and then, holy shit, I'm like falling down a mountain. Yeah, literally. But we're gonna go to a new spot for the remaining of sunset, and then I think Grant are gonna go on a night shoot possibly, so we'll be vlogging that as well, which I'm actually really excited for, because if you guys see my last video, I'm I'm super passionate about neon photography, and when it comes to neon colors, everything about it, I'm just like, yes, I'm lushing over here. So I'm pretty stoked for that. Hopefully that works out, but I'm gonna get through this mountain and I will see you guys at the next spot. So guys, we made it to the second location. Another cool spot, takes you, or I guess it shows more of the mountains in the city, but it's just kind of a different spot so you get a different perspective. What's up?
And I'm thirsty.
And we thirsty out here.
I'm fucking thirsty as shit.
We fucking forgot to bring water too. Young dehydrated boys. Could be. Young dehydrated boy. That's my rap name. Oh, guys, check out this view. That's our dam. That's where we got all of our water. Chief down there.
Bro, you forgot your other lenses again.
I did.
Good thing we're like close to the car, you know?
Yeah, at least the cars are right there.
But like, come on, bro.
Oh, every time, dude. Fuck's sake, man. But honestly, I think I can get a cool shot with the wide here. So I'm gonna show you guys some more photos here coming up that I kind of took in this location. I'm telling you, if you just choose the right time of day, you can literally get some of the sickest shots around. But let me know what you guys think of these second wave shots, I guess, or the second round of shots coming in. And then after that, we might go and do that night shoot. We'll see. Guys, so we just made it back to my house. We're charging our batteries. Thank you, Sony, for making the worst batteries out of all the major camera companies. Love it. But then we're also going to get some water, get hydrated, you know, chill out, and then we are then going to wash Grayman's car, and then we're gonna go meet up with this rapper, this local rapper, and give him a photo shoot, just because Grayman came up with this really cool idea for a shoot. So we're gonna go ahead and execute that. So we're gonna vlog that as well, so you guys can see the process of that too. So it's kind of like a double whammy, because we're gonna be doing some night photography as well as our sunset, which even more proves the point that I've been trying to get across on this video, that you don't need to live in a super exotic place to get really cool content. So we just arrived at the location, Waffle House. I'm here with Ace. And we're about to give my boy here a photo shoot. We're at the Waffle House, get some bangers here. So we'll get some nice B-roll of that. But and also put some photos on the screen here. But let me know what you guys think of that. So Grayman, tell me about this. What are your thoughts on this so far?
Honestly, I like it a lot. I feel like the blue light will definitely work a lot better. The red is definitely a mood, but blue also is also a mood. Oh, so definitely. Red and blue is a very good color for this kind of things. Definitely, since, you know, fucking rain in Fort Collins is unpredictable 95% of the time, so might as well use a spray bottle to make your own rain.
Hell yeah, dude, that's what I'm talking about, man. Ready to hear first, folks. Make your own rain. What's going on? Wrapping up the video here. Just like to say thank you for watching this far, if you made it this far, and I hope you guys enjoyed the content that I made today. I had a lot of fun making it, and I hope you guys had fun watching it, and kind of maybe hopefully learn something from it that you guys could put into your own personal photography. But I hope you guys enjoyed the second vlog. A little different than the first one, but I definitely like this route that I'm going when it comes to vlogging, or this vlogging style per se. But let me know down below in the comment section what you guys want to see me make content on, or, you know, if you want me to cover something, anything like that, I can definitely do that. And if you like the video or even dislike the video, you know, either like the video or dislike the video, definitely helps me out and gives me feedback on what you guys want to see and what you don't want to see. So thanks for watching again, and I hope you guys have a wonderful evening / night. I suppose it's night now, but anyway, have a good one, guys.